Good morning. Hey, you can see we're outside. It's a balmy 40 out here. There's lots of snow still on the ground. You can see it all over my yard. So, what are we doing today? Well, let me show you what we bought. We bought some of this on Amazon, some of this off of eBay. You know, we bought the big Greenlee pipe bender. We also bought this little bender. And we thought, what do we mount the little bender to? We thought, let's try mounting it to one of these pickup truck hitch things. So let's take a look at it. So there's what we bought. Got that off of Amazon. It's about 70 bucks. Here's the pieces. Here's the rest of the pieces, the instruction. The two adjustable wrenches are to put it on. It's all metric stuff. And then we bought this pipe bender up here. We only brought the parts out we need. We got that off of eBay. We got the pipe cutter from my dad, and we also got the angle measurement. So what we're going to do is put this to the test and put it together. Stay tuned. All right. Hey, so we read through the instructions. They're pretty brief. Heck, half of it's blank. But it's pretty simple. If you can't put this on, you probably shouldn't be trying to bend your own pipe. They give you this piece called anti-rattle. It has to go on here. And this plugs in here. Pin, hole. Boom. Pin it, there you go. This anti-rattle device goes here. Tighten these up. The idea, it's going to take all this play out. Well, you don't have rattle here. That's what that was for. Next thing you got to do is put this on. It's adjustable height. We're gonna make it as high. We're gonna make this as high as possible. They gave us a clamp mechanism to put it on with here. When you look at the instructions, it's weird. They welded some round pieces on here. You can see why did they weld those on? We don't know. Why couldn't you just bend the metal twice? Don't know. We do know that it goes this way. So what we're going to do, take the bolt out. They didn't give you all the washers, so you had to add a washer. But that goes like that. I think they did that so you wouldn't dent this pipe, now that I see it. Again, we got adjustable wrenches because it's metric, and I got my metric wrenches blocked. It's the downside to adjustable wrenches. They want to slide off all the time. It's on. It's not exactly what I would call real rigid, but if I tighten this anymore, I'll be crushing stuff. So, well, the bender needs a little thinking because you got this plate that's going to bolt up here. You got this piece that's going to go on. Piece is going to be like this, and the handle's going to come this way. So we're going to, the pipe would bend from hanging out towards the back of the vehicle around this way. So we think that's the way we would like it. To take all these bolts loose. This did not come with bolts, had to buy them. All right, so we're 11/16 underneath. Right. You can see how this kind of wobbles. Now that we got some bigger wrenches, I tighten this up a little. We're still going to have some wobble. It looks like that's just how it goes. It wobbles. So that's the bender. This piece goes on here. And let's see if this is going to work. Oh man, we're going to hit the tailgate over here. We're going to take this loose, turn it 90 degrees. Now we can put this here. This has an adjustable here, go in and out. We got to go get our pipe, put our pipe in here. All right, the pipe we're using today is 1/2-inch black pipe. The 7/8. So that goes in there like this. We can see one issue this has right away is the pipe hangs on a big angle. So that would want to bend it crooked. So we're going to have to lift this up as we go. The other problem we've got is we got like virtually no leverage here because we didn't get the handle. The box broke in shipping. We only got the handle missing. I'm going to go get a pipe to put on here and back you guys up so you can watch. All right, you can see we put a real big pipe on here. The supplier on eBay, nice guy and everything, good communication. I'm going to give him good feedback. He's sending me a handle. So here's what we have to do. We have to hold this up, I guess, and pull this so it's tight. And we're going to start bending this. And it looks like it's going to take a lot of force. We did buy a nice digital protractor so we can measure our angles. Got a ways to go to 90 yet. All right, we have these. Basically what this does is tell you the angle you're at. So we take our protractor, goes off in a few minutes on its own. Take our protractor, stick it underneath here again, and stick it through. It's easier through, that's right. You can see how that goes together. Wheel goes in here. So we've determined this will get the job done. Ain't the easiest to use. $100 for that bender, all right? Greenlee bender, $4,000 or $4,800 new. I got mine all pieces together for like $750, buying the pieces a piece at a time online. All right, so you can't get this off. Pull this up. All right, things to note on this bender. It's a nasty gouge in the pipe. I don't know if you can see that well, but there's a nasty gouge right there. The next thing we're going to do is cut this off. So we're just going to grab handle. So see what we'll be doing. We'll be doing it like this, cutting it off. I got a tube notcher. We're going to make some more of these. Seems like it's a little wide, but Not bad. We were trying to make another one a little narrower. Like and subscribe. Okay, hey. So we continued on to bend the rest of our handles, and we're doing just great. Couple of issues. One, oh man, broke the tail light. The pipe slipped. How did the pipe slip? Well, let's take a look how the pipe slipped. Pipe slipped. So how'd the pipe slip? The pipe slipped on this. Remember it was making a ding in the pipe? Well, it doesn't make that ding. The edge broke down. I locked the vice grips on there now so it doesn't slide back. But what happened was the pipe slid and the pipe hit the tail light over there. Right there. Boom. So these are great on the back of your pickup, but you can damage the pickup easy apparently. So learn by what I did. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. Catch you in the next videos.